Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about high limit for Adcraft Part LCCM200300000. High limit for Adcraft Part LCCM200300000 is a safety device that is designed to shut off the power to an electric heating element when the temperature of the element exceeds a predetermined limit. This high limit is typically used in commercial deep fryers, griddles, and other cooking equipment. The high limit will shut off the power to the heating element if it senses that the temperature has exceeded its preset limit. This helps to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. The high limit can be reset by pressing a reset button on the unit or by manually. This part fixes the following symptoms. The high limit for Adcraft Part LCCM200300000 is designed to prevent the appliance from overheating and causing damage. It will shut off the power to the appliance if it detects that the temperature has exceeded a certain level. This helps to protect the appliance from damage due to excessive heat. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing high limit switch from the appliance. 3. Install the new Adcraft Part LCCM200300000 high limit switch in its place, making sure that all connections are secure and that the switch is properly oriented. 4. Turn on the power to the appliance and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.